Good morning everyone. Once again welcome back to my channel that is SP Education Co. So previously वीडियो में हम डिस्कशन किए थे कि ज्योमेट्री के बारे में। तो ज्योमेट्री का जो बेसिक्स फंडास था वहाँ पे मैंने डिस्कशन कर लिया था एंड वहाँ पे ही मैंने बोला था तुम्हें कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो आएगा उसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन वाला वीडियो आएगा। ठीक है, सो टुडेज वीडियो इज depend upon your construction only. Construction, first we have to construct the equilateral triangle, then we have to construct the isosceles triangle, and the last one is we have to draw the scalene triangle. Okay, so let's start with the equilateral triangle. Okay, so जब भी तुम्हें कंस्ट्रक्शन बनाना है ट्राइंगल का तो तुम पहले क्या करोगे, यहाँ पे रफ बनाओगे। रफ डायग्राम मस्त चाहिए, अगर एग्जाम में रफ नहीं करते हो तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा। सो रफ में क्या है, देखो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल क्या होता है। इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल मींस जिसका हर एक साइड्स इक्वल होता है। यस और नो, सो एवरी साइड्स आर इक्वल, दैट मींस रफली दिस वन इज 5 सेंटीमीटर, यू कैन टेक दिस वन इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, and you can measure here also like this, and here also like this. So now you have been putting the names of them A, B, C, whatever you are according to your wish you can take your names. If there is not given the names, you can take your name according to your wish. If there is given name, then you have to take the names only. Okay, so now ABC is a triangle whose BC is 5 centimeter, AC is also 5 centimeter, and AB is also 5 centimeter. So by this way we have to draw here a fair construction video. Okay, so this one is BC. First we have to take the base of the triangle. The base of the triangle is BC, that is 5 centimeter. So here we have to draw 5 centimeter. Taken the scale and pencil. Here starting from 0 you put a point, and here is 5, you have to put a point. Then you have to join these points, okay, as a straight line. Yes, so now it's joined and it is named by B and C. It is named by B and C, that is your 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw AB and AC. So how we will draw it? You have to take your rounder. Yes, in 0 you have to put it the 0, then this one you have to expand from till 5 centimeter. So this one is your 5 centimeter. Now this measure is your 5 centimeter. So first AB you have to draw. AB means you have to B corner, B point, you have to put the rounders one, and the another one is you have to draw a arc over there. Yes, similarly AC is same. So C के point में ऐसे रख के तुम्हें यहाँ पे एक आर्क के ऊपर, उसी एक आर्क के ऊपर और एक तुम्हें आर्क देना पड़ेगा. सो नाउ हियर इज मीट द टू आर्क. यस, तो जहाँ पे तुम्हारा ये दोनों आर्क मीट कर रहे हैं तो वही दोनों आर्क में एक पॉइंट आता है. उस पॉइंट का नाम पहले ए दे दो, देन ए से बी को ज्वाइन करो एंड ज्वाइंट ऑल्सो ए टू सी. ओके, ए से बी को ज्वाइन करना है एंड ए से सी को ज्वाइन करना है. नाउ यू हैव टू मेजर दैट AB is exactly 5 centimeter and also your AC is also exactly 5 centimeter. Now you have to write here 5 centimeter and you have to write here 5 centimeter. So this one is the ABC equilateral triangle. How you have to draw, got it? अगर एक में समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो दूसरा मैं अभी बना रहा हूँ. देखो, तो पहले तुम्हें क्या करना है, इसमें हमें लेना है B में क्या लेना है, the measurement of the sides are 6.2 centimeter. Yes, so first we have to draw the rough one. So rough one is what, 6.2 centimeter. तो यहाँ पे कुछ मेजर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, you can take it by roughly. Yes, yes, and here the triangle name I have take is PQR. Okay, PQR. The triangle name is what? PQR. Then QR should be 6.2 centimeter. PQ is should be 6.2 centimeter, and QP is also here should be 6.2 centimeter. Then what you have to do? Then you have to do the fair one. So how you have to do? First you have to take the base one. Base one is 6.2 centimeter. So 6.2 means you have to put it the mark on the 0 first. Yes or no? In that 0 you have to put the marks, then it will be comes to Your scale should be straight. Okay, then it is comes to 6 centimeter, then 0.1 and 6.2. Here is 6.2. Now you have to join these 2 points as a straight line. Then you have to put the name of Q and R. That is Q, R, and is your 6.2 centimeter. Got it, my points? Now this one is done. You have to do PQ and PR also. It is a equilateral triangle, that means all sides are equal, so you have to take the 6.2, 6.2 QP and PR respectively. Wait, where is my rounder? Yes, there. So we have to take the measurement. We will start from the 0. Okay, from 0 to where we have to take 6.2. So first it comes to 6, then 0.1, 0.2. This one is the measure of 6.2. So you have to take the 6.2, then first Q के ऊपर रख के यहाँ पे एक ऐसे आर्क बनाना है, फिर R के ऊपर रख के यहाँ पे एक ऐसा यहाँ पे एक ऐसा आर्क बनाना है। तो ये दोनों आर्क जहाँ पे मीट हो रहे हैं वहां पे जो पॉइंट दिखाई दे रहा है उस पॉइंट को मेंशन करना है एंड गिव द नेम ऑफ दिस पॉइंट इज P. Okay, give the name of this point is P. Now you have to match the P, Q, P and Q points, and here also match the points of P and R. Yes, now your triangle is ready. What is the triangle? PQR triangle. That is a equilateral triangle. How you should be confirmed that this one is the equilateral triangle? You have to, when you are finished draw, then you have to measure it the length of this triangle. So PQ is exactly 6.2 centimeter and PR is also exactly your 6.2 centimeter. पता नहीं मुझे तो हमें यहाँ पे कितना क्लैरिटी के साथ दिखाई दे रहा है, but you have to do like this way only. Okay, so this one is 6.2 centimeter and this one is also your 6.2 centimeter. So by this way, following this way, you should have to draw your equilateral triangle. And one thing you get remember that every triangle you can draw by like this way, but what triangle you should have to draw, that's you have to read carefully. If equilateral, then all sides are equal. Then coming to the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles means what? Isosceles means when two sides are equal. When two sides are equal. So first we have to make the rough one only. Okay, so in that rough one I will take what 3 centimeter as a base. As a base I will take what 3 centimeter, and the name is given also ABC, and this one is like this way and this one is like this way. This one is A, so A, B, C. So B is what 3 centimeter, so this one is 3 centimeter, and these two are 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Means what? In this case, in this triangle, we know that AB and AC are equal, where BC is not equal. If two sides are equal, then we will say that isosceles triangle. So first we have to make the base one. So base is 3 centimeter. So first we have to take the 3 centimeter. So here we will start. There is 0 and here is 3. Now we have to meet this 2 point 3 centimeter. Yes. Now B, C putting their names and it is 3 centimeter. Yes or no? Then comes to the AB and AC. We will take by the rounder. Okay. एग्जैक्टली सेम थिंग जीरो जीरो में रखना है, फिर कहाँ तक लेके जाना है मेजर, इट विल बी फार फ्रॉम द 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो जैसे ही 5 सेंटीमीटर आता है वहां से हमें क्या करना है, वही मेजरमेंट को लेके जाना है. तो 5 सेंटीमीटर दिया था मेरा, इसलिए मैंने 5 लिया. अगर तुम्हारे बुक में 6 to 7 8 वट एवर सेंटीमीटर इज गिवन देयर, यू हैव टू टेक दैट वन ओनली. ओके, देन इन बी, वहां पे बी के ऊपर रख के यहाँ पे एक ऐसा आर्क क्रिएट करना है. यस, एंड सी पे ऊपर रखकर यहाँ पे भी ऑल्सो एक ऐसा आर्क बनाना है. ठीक है, सो ये दोनों आर्क जहाँ पे मीट हो रहे हैं वो मीट पॉइंट को हमें नोटिस करना है. सो मीट पॉइंट का नाम क्या हो जाएगा, ए. ओके, सो नाउ यू हैव टू जॉइंट AB and now you have to join also your AC. Now this one is the isosceles triangle by using the length of 5 centimeter in AB, 5 centimeter in AC and 3 centimeter in BC. How you confirm that? When you finished your drawn or make, you have to measure it. Look, this one is perfect 5 centimeter. Yes, and this one is also your perfect 5 centimeter. By this way you have to construct your isosceles triangles also. Yes, so this one is one example. Another example I have also take. So first you have to make your rough नहीं बनाओगे, so mark will be not considered there. You have to make the rough first one. Yes, so in this isosceles triangle 6 centimeter I will take the base of that. So this one I have to take like a base. Yes, and I will take the name of Q and R. This one is 6 centimeter. So according to your rough, your fair should be, now this one is P. So here this one is 4 centimeter and this one is 4 centimeter. तो हमें ऐसा ड्रॉ करना है जिसमें पी क्यू और पी आर क्या हो जाएंगे, सेम दिखाई देंगे. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट सभी के जैसा हमें बेस को लेना है. यस और नो? तो बेस में क्या है, 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो 6 सेंटीमीटर वी विल कंसिडर लाइक by the help of ruler. So this one is 0 and this one is your 6. So you have to made this one first. This one is your 6 centimeter, putting their names also, Q and R. This one is your 6 centimeter. Got it? Now the time to make the PQ and PR also. So for PQ we have to need the 4 centimeter. So we are from starting from 0 and it will be expand for 4 centimeter. Look at this one is your 4 centimeter. This measures is represents your 4 centimeter. So now you have to take and you have to measure. So यहाँ पे एक लेके ऐसे आर्क क्रिएट करना है और यहाँ से एक लेके ऐसे आर्क को क्रिएट करना है. तो ये दोनों आर्क जहाँ पे मीट होते हैं वहां से वो वाला पॉइंट को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. एंड व्हाट्स इन योर रफ यू हैव टू गिव द नेम ओनली हियर. Okay, so now you have P, Q are 3 points you have. So now the time to be joined the PQ lines, PQ points. Yes, so now I joined the PQ and then I have to join the PR also. So look at this one. Now your triangle is ready. PQR isosceles triangle. How you know that isosceles triangles? You have to measure these two sides also. These two sides are, look at here, PQ sides is represent 4 centimeter. Exactly same is represent in PR, that is also 4 centimeter. So you have to write here 4 centimeter and here also write here 4 centimeter. It is the PQR isosceles triangle. Okay, what did my points? Yes, वीडियो अच्छे से दिखाई दे रहा होगा. I wish to be that. Then next is to be your construct scalene triangles. So scalene triangles means what? Where no sides are equal in a triangle. No sides are equal. So first you have to make your rough only. So rough बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? ऐसे ही normal सा you can draw here. This one you have to take BC. So कौन सा यहाँ पे लोगे? Which centimeter you have to take? Which measurement? 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Which one is the greatest? So I have to take this one. That is 8 centimeter. So I will take that 8 centimeter. Then this one and after that this one. Okay, so ABC, AB length I will take 5 centimeter and from AC sides I will take 6 centimeter. Okay, so according to this measurements only I have to make my triangle. Got it? So first I have to make the base only. So base के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have to take the 8 centimeter of the measurement. So in here 0 I will put the mark, then 8. Where is the 8? Here is the 8. I will put the point. Then I have to join these 2 points and then I have to write what is written here, B. B then is she, and what is the length, what is the measurement of this length? That is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Got it my points? Now it's time to make AB or AC. What your wish, you have to take this one. If you want to take AB, then AB should be 5 centimeter. How it should be 5 centimeter? Take out the scale. okay, and put it the 0 here, that is 5 centimeter, expand it from 5. This one is the length of, this one is the measurement of the 5. Okay, so now here I will put the B and I will make a arc over here. Then क्या मैं उसी का ही लेंथ को लेके यहाँ पे कर दूंगा? No, if I will take this one only, then it will be also the measurement of the 5 centimeter, but I need 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means once again I have to take the scales and rounders help, and it will be expand from where? 6 centimeter. अगर 6 centimeter तक expand कर लिया, then this measure is represent to your 6 centimeter. I will keep it in the 6 point C point and here make a arc also. एंड जहाँ पे ये दोनों पॉइंट मिल रहे हैं वहां से हमें क्या करना है, पॉइंट को आइडेंटिफाई करना है एंड गिविंग द नेम ऑफ A. What's your rough? You should be give here. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to join the AB points. Yes. So here is A. Here is B. Join the AB points and also join the AC points. A and here is C. Okay. So now what you have to see? ABC is your scale and triangle. How you should be know about that? BC, firstly I measured by the scale, this one is the 8 centimeter. Now the time of to be AB, A and B, you just look at here, this one is perfectly 5 centimeter. Now it's time to be AC, so I will measure it, one is perfectly 6 centimeter. So in this triangle you can see that no one sides are equal. If no sides are equal, then we will say that this one is the scalene triangle. Yes, got it my points? Now coming to the B number, there is, first we have to make the rough. What about is there? We have to make the rough note only. So here is 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. यहाँ पे जैसे बनाया था exactly same जो greatest measurement है उसी को ही मैं पहले ले रहा हूँ. So क्या होता है देखो, this one is QR, suppose the name of this is QR and I will take this one is 5 centimeter, then I have to take this one and I have to take also this one. So if I will take it 3 centimeter and this one I will take 4 centimeter, and its this point name is PQR is your triangle, it should be a scalene triangle. Yes or no? So how we will draw? So lastly, this one is the last example of your scalene triangle. So look at carefully. Okay. So first we have to make the base only. So base के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए? I need the 5 centimeter. Yes. So I will put from 0 is 1 point and here the 5 is from 1 point. Now I joined that 0 to 5, this point to this point. I will make a name of Q and here make the name of the R, and I will retain here 5 centimeter. What's the measurement? Its length. Okay. Now it's time to be drawn the PQ. For PQ, I need 3 centimeter. For PQ, I need 3 centimeter. So firstly, I will keep here 1 point of, and here I will keep the 3 centimeter. Okay, so this one is your measurement of 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter लेके मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पे एक आर्क बना दिया. जब भी तुम आर्क को ड्रॉ कर रहे हो ना, थोड़ा सा बड़ा आर्क को ड्रॉ करो ताकि सेकेंड वन जो भी तुम्हें मिलेगा उसके ऊपर क्रॉस कर सके. इफ दैट इज क्रॉस्ड ओनली, देन ओनली यू कैन गेट द पॉइंट, अदरवाइज यू कैन गेट द पॉइंट. देन पी आर इज योर व्हाट नेक्स्ट. So PR is what centimeter? 4 centimeter. So this one is the measurement of the length 4. Yes. So इसको कहाँ पे रख के ड्रॉ करना है? R के पॉइंट के ऊपर रख के ड्रॉ करना है. Yes or no? So जैसे ही मैंने R के पॉइंट के ऊपर रख के ड्रॉ किया, so यहाँ से मुझे एक पॉइंट मिल गया. Yes, and I identified that point and I give the name of its P. Then once again I have to match these 2 points. Which one? From the P and Q, P and Q, and from P and R. Yes, P and R. And I will say that PQR is your scalene triangle. How I should know that? This one QR is your 5 centimeter. Then measured QP. QP is your exactly 3 centimeter. Then measured PR. PR is your exactly 4 centimeter. So this is the scalene triangle. Why? Because all sides are now equal. If any sides are not equal in a triangle, we have to say that isosceles triangle. Now your construction is over. Now your construction is over. Okay. So ये वीडियो कैसा लगा मुझे जल्दी यूट्यूब में कमेंट करके बोलना। जो पहले वीडियो था उसमें तो बहुत ही अच्छे से बोले थे, मैं इस वीडियो में भी चाहता हूँ कि वही तुम्हारा प्यार मिले अच्छा सा। लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो एंड शेयर करो मेरे चैनल को, और बहुत ही जल्दी उसको शेयर करो ताकि हम बहुत ही टफ लिस्ट में पहुंच सके।